Hey there, folks. I'm Hutch.
And I'm Sherry, and this is Hamlet, our 1957 Sportcraft Can-Am travel trailer that has been our full-time home for nearly 12 years.
Did you say full-time?
I sure did. Together we call ourselves Freedom in a Can, and we hope you'll join us for our upcoming seminar, Solar 101 for Vintage Campers, at the Vintage Camper Trailers Boot Camp Online Summit.
Ooh, say that 5 times
I know,
fast.
right?
Now, we've been all over this continent, exploring the natural world in our vintage rig without having to plug in. Since 2012, we've lived nearly 100% off the grid, and along the way, we've educated thousands of people on how to go solar with their RVs.
And save a ton of money along the way. Now we're going to give you a brief tour of our system, an overview of how solar power works, the components that you will need, and how to design a system that works for you.
One that won't interfere with the vintage aesthetic of your lovingly restored baby.
That is so important. Now, our system gives us the freedom to live, work, and play wherever we want to be. And with a bit of DIY skills, you can have that kind of freedom too. Trust us, adding solar is the easiest part of any vintage camper restoration.
So be sure to book your place for our seminar, Solar 101 for Vintage Campers, at the Vintage Camper Trailers Boot Camp. Thanks so much.
We'll see you soon.